Udta Punjab was on its way to the cinemas, and once again it was Bollywood throwing its weight behind the film. It's been one mammoth journey for our film folk to achieve epic win over censorship, and this gathering was a celebration. But looking back, this win is not without its share of casualties. From 89 cuts in 13 categories to just one cut. It was the Bombay High Court upholding the freedom of expression and creative liberty with its landmark judgment. And hailing it were all and sundry.
I'm terribly happy with whatever has been said today, and I thank the Honourable High Court for it.
We're actually here feeling very proud and very happy about what has happened. I think the Honourable Bench has given a decision which I have huge respect for. I actually even appreciate the one cut that they have given.
The role of audience as best judge of a film's content had been reconfirmed.
Well, I think it's not only very mature, but the way I expected in some ways that the court would look at it from the point of view it has.
And after a bitter battle with the chief of censor board, it was victory choosing to side with the gangs of Bollywood. Udta Punjab had taken flight, and the Sanskari censor chief Prahlad Nihalani had been cut down to size.
There is no setback and victory or this thing anything. The guideline है, जो rules है, जब तक बदल के नहीं आता है, मैं इसमें टिप्पणी ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकता.
Although the winning smiles were quick to be wiped off. At the time when the stars should have been preparing for the red carpet, riding high on the legal victory against censor Scissorhand, Udta Punjab team had to battle another war, from censorship to piracy, with the film copy meant for censor going viral on internet.
Censor board copy can be stolen by anyone. Censor board copy can be copied by anyone. बिल्कुल इत्तेफाक नहीं रखता हूँ कि हमारी तरफ से कुछ हुआ है, लेकिन हमें साइबर क्राइम को पता करने दो ना पुलिस को.
Even as Bollywood was quick to show solidarity and stand up to the internet mafia,
a deliberate attempt to sabotage the film, and it's not the first time which has happened. I think it's earlier also there's few films were leaked and the source is the same.
We are not sure if it's a censor copy. If it is a censor copy that's come out on torrent, then that's a big shame. It's a big shame for the CBFC.
In round 2 of Udta battle between Kashyap and Prahlad, Nihalani was ready on the defensive even before anyone named him directly.
हमारे पोजीशन में पिक्चर कभी आती ही नहीं है. हमें 6:30 को ही पहली बार कल जो है सीडी मिली हमारे पोजीशन में, और ये पिक्चर सुबह 1 बजे आ गई. जो हम उनके सामने सील करते हैं, प्रोड्यूसर के जाके पूछिए कि क्या उससे पूछिए ना, आप वो ब्लेम हमारे ऊपर लगा रहे.
But that's how it stood. Udta Punjab leaked 2 days ahead of its release. And little did the makers know that in a bid to resist acquiescing to the arbitrary and whimsical decisions by Nihalani and his bunch of hypersensitive nannies, it would be piracy bringing in the climax in the Udta flight. But even as their film fought it out for a due exhibit, the actors hailed the bittersweet victory with the masses. And so far, the people's mandate has been the wind beneath their wings.
Irfan Khan's rubbed shoulders with Tom Hanks.